Cash, you got your ears on? Who the hell are you, man?
Castiel, how about you answer some questions first? Like, where the hell have you been? You heard me, didn't you? Right to him?
Yes, I heard you.
No hesitation. Quick. Brutal. Everything's back in order. Finally. You ready?
Tell me, would you kill to save a life? Tell me, would you kill to prove you're right? Crash, crash, burn, let it all burn. This hurricane's chasing us all underground.
I won't hurt you.
Yes, you will. You are.
Days that I die, I will never forget.
What have you done to me?
No matter how many lies that I live, I will never regret. There is a fire inside of this heart and a riot about to explode into flames. Where is your God? Where is your God? Where is your God?
End this, Castiel.
It's me. I need you.